Okay.
Yes, Naila.
Solid.
Thank
Solid.
you. Thank
Yeah.
you, Naila.
So guys, baking powder is solid material, okay? And vinegar is liquid. But
Leah has it ready. Nadina has it ready. Naila, you're good. Vin is doing it. The boys have it here.
yeah.
Danielle, you ready? Wow, Danielle has a funnel. Very
Yes.
sophisticated. Are your balloons stuck to the bottle? Fantastic. Yes, I can see them. Fantastic. Look at that. Look at what Evine did. Can we put the spotlight on Evine? Written Eileen.
Yeah, wow! Your balloon inflated. Okay, now guys, please
Yes.
flip the balloon. Okay? 1, 2, 3. Guys, can you see the effervescence right here, the bubbles? And the balloon inflated right here. So let me explain, guys. When I add a solid on a liquid material, okay, the gas is produced, and this is called a chemical reaction.